So identify the GPS satellites. So this is our GPS. Okay, in the GPS, when you go to the display mode, okay, one more, this is the cursor, this is the highway method. Okay, this where we were plotting the position in the cursor. One more. Okay, yeah, so this is now showing you the satellite. Okay, we have this much satellite is there, and it is taking the position from so and so satellite. Is taking now the GPS. We have in the range of GLONASS, SBS, QZSS. So all the satellite is there, satellite angle is there, bearing station is there. If we want, we can select from what GPS we want the fix. Okay, so in this way it is very easy to know how much satellite we are using, how much satellite our GPS is using to make the fix. Okay, so differential GPS position is very accurate than the normal GPS. So thank you. I hope this video help you to understand what and how the practical knowledge and how the GPS work practically on ship. Thank you.